Hi, I'm Monish and I completed my engineering in Industrial Engineering College with an aggregate of 76%. Thereafter, I completed my course in the Pyspiders with the Python full stack course, which included Python, SQL, web development along with the framework of Django. And there were many projects along with the trainers which I had to complete, so that which was helpful for me. And with this, all these things, I just gained some confidence in me, and I feel a change in me. Yeah, like there's something linking with the industry.
Yeah, so thank you for joining the Pyspider and you learned a lot of things, right? I hope.
Yeah.
And so now you got the so now you got the job in Mindtree, right? And 4 lakhs package. Okay, so first of all, initially he's very, and coming to the topic wise, he's very dull, but unfortunately he attend all the presentation classes and whatever we are providing the assignments, each and everything he did, and finally he learned lot of things here, and now he got job Mindtree with a package of 4 lakhs. Okay, so heartily congratulations to you, man.
Thank you, sir.
So in future you want to learn lot of technologies and you want to improve your skill.
Yeah, sure.
Right, thank you.
Thank you, Pyspiders.